Hi there, join me in this video when I'm at RSPB Leighton Moss. It's about a year and a half since I last visited Leighton Moss, and then it was the middle of November. Now it's towards the end of May, so I should see some completely different sightings today. Last time I came, I did get some really good photographs of bearded tits. I'm not sure they'll be about today and whether it's even the season for them, but whatever I see, I know that I'm really going to enjoy my photography. I've just spent a little bit of time in this shelter that's overlooking some bird feeders. Now when I sat down, there were some bullfinch on the feeders. I was hoping they would land on some of the neighbouring trees so I could get a really nice shot of those, but they didn't. I haven't seen them again since. But while I've been waiting, I've got a few nice shots just to warm me up to get me ready for the day. I've just had a chat with one of the staff as I've come into the centre, and he's given me a bit of a lowdown on what I might possibly see today. So chances of seeing the bearded tits are quite small because they are scattered all over the reed beds. They tend to show better in October and November, and that's when I saw them last time. Now there is a bittern and an osprey showing because they're flying across the reed beds very regularly, so hopefully I might see those, but it doesn't really matter if I don't because I've got lots of time today to just mill about and enjoy the visit. This has to be one of the most comfortable hides I've ever been in. These chairs are so well padded and really comfortable, and we've got a great view over the water just here. Now there doesn't seem to be a lot out. There's some black-headed gulls at the moment, but I'll sit there for a while and see if I see anything else. Now this morning when I left the house, I was feeling a little bit low and not very energetic, but once I've arrived at the reserve and I've sat in this hide for a little while, all of my energy has come back. I've relaxed and I've just started really enjoying myself. There's no need to think about anything that's worrying you. When you're in a place like this, you can just let all of those worries melt away and just enjoy the experience of seeing this lovely wildlife and not thinking about anything else. And that is the beauty of photography, especially in a place like this. There's no rush for anything. You just take your time and just enjoy the moment. It's so important to use your ears when you're out photographing birds, particularly now we're getting into summer and the leaf canopy is really dense, because you've got to listen for the birds to actually know there's something there. Then just take your time to try and move into the right spot so you can see it. And I've just done that and ended up getting a really nice shot of a song thrush because I saw it through the branches and it was perched in a really nice position to enable me to take its photograph. Now, if this is your first time visiting the channel and you're enjoying what you see, then you can do me a really big favour and make sure you don't miss out on any future content by doing all the things with the buttons, because YouTube really likes that kind of thing. just here by the side of these reeds, I've been listening to some reed warblers, and I've been waiting for the moment when they would pop up and I could take their photograph. And one did land in a tree really nicely, and just at that very moment my wife phoned me, and so I'd got the phone in one hand and the camera in the other, and I've managed to get a photograph, but it wasn't particularly great. So hopefully I'll get another chance when I'm not on the phone. I've just spent some time on this side here, and what I was trying to do is take some photographs of swifts in flight. Now it's really difficult because they move about so erratically that it's very difficult to get a focus lock, and then you either got them silhouetted against the water or silhouetted against the sky, and it just is so difficult. I might have one or two, but it was fun trying. Well, I've just spent a little bit of time in this hide here behind me. There was quite a bit of excitement from the other bird watchers in there, expecting to see the bittern, but unfortunately a shower of rain came through, and that's probably driven it under cover. But at least it kept me dry while I was sat in there, and it's now time to move on. I'm now standing on what's known as the Sky Tower, and it gives you a really good elevated view of the entire reserve. So over there is where I've just been, and then I'm going to walk over there in a few minutes and have a look at the final few hides. But from up here, it does give you a really good feeling of just how extensive these reed beds are. I've not really had many sightings of birds while I've been up here, but it's nice to come up anyway and just enjoy the view. I've heard the bittern today several times. Now, if you're not aware what the call sounds like, if you imagine blowing over the top of a bottle, it's like a low-pitched booming sound, and a whoo, whoo, very, very low-pitched but very distinctive, and you can hear it booming across the reserve. I've heard it many times at different locations, and just where I am now, I heard it a few seconds ago. But as you can see around me, all of these reeds are really grown up, and so there's almost no chance of seeing it in those reeds. So there is another hide finally to just get to down here. Maybe I'll see it from there, but if not, I'll go away with some nice photographs, but no sighting of the bittern. What a great end to the morning. I've had lots of sightings and some reasonable photographs. I've got lots of pictures of birds in flight, including some lapwing, a grey heron, a Marsh Harrier, and I did see the bittern. So what I'll do is I'll show you some of those photographs now and some of my other best shots from the day. been a great day here at Leighton Moss. I've been here for nearly 5 hours. Unfortunately, I've not got any spectacular shots, but I've still had lots of great sightings and I've really enjoyed myself. We've had some variable weather, so I've been dodging showers all morning, but that doesn't matter. I've just had a great time. It's really improved my state of mind and I feel so much better. I'm going away really happy. Now, if you have enjoyed that video, do let me know down below in the comments, and nip over to my Instagram or Vero account, that's at Darrell Oakden Photography. Leave me your comments there and you can also see lots of my photographs. Now, if you like what I do on the channel and want to help support me to make future content like this, then you can leave via the gift shop. That's at Teespring. There I've got a range of merchandise on offer, so head off over there because the purchase really does help me out and it's very much appreciated. But you don't have to spend any money at all to support the channel. You can do that simply by clicking like, subscribe and the bell notifications. It really helps me out and it makes sure that you don't miss out on any future content. Watch out for next week's video, that goes live on Sunday. In the meantime, go and check out this video just up here, but all that's left now is to say stay safe and I'll see you soon.